Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest how-to guides. Today, we're diving into how to unlink Discord from your Xbox account in 2025. With Microsoft's ongoing updates, managing your linked accounts is easier than ever, but it's always good to know the steps to keep your digital life organized. Whether you're privacy conscious or just switching things up, this quick tutorial will have you unlinked in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you're logged into your Xbox account. You can do this via the Xbox app on your phone, PC, or directly on your console. This is your starting point, so double-check that you're signed in securely. Step 1. Open the Xbox app or power up your Xbox console. If you're on the app, make sure it's updated to the 2025 version for the smoothest experience. Step 2. Head to your profile. On the console, select your gamer tag from the home screen. In the app, tap your profile icon in the top corner. This will take you to your personal settings hub. Step 3. Navigate to Settings or Account Settings. Look for options related to privacy or connected services. Microsoft might have tweaked the layout, but it should be intuitive. Step 4. Find the Linked Accounts or Social Integrations section. Here, you'll see a list of apps tied to your Xbox, including Discord. Step 5. Select Discord from the list. There should be a clear option like Unlink or Remove. Tap or select it to proceed. Step 6. Confirm the unlink action. You'll likely get a prompt warning you about potential feature losses, like cross-platform voice chat, so make sure you're okay with that. Once done, your accounts will be separated. If you run into any hiccups, restart the app or console and ensure all software is up to date. 2025 brings new features, after all. There you have it, folks. Unlinking is straightforward and helps you maintain control over your accounts. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.